Video I'm going to show you how to do a foundation of a chainless foundation for the lemon peel stitch. So the lemon peel stitches consist of single and double crochets. So what you're going to do is you're going to make your slip knot. I'm using a round weight yarn and a size 5mm crochet hook for this demonstration. So I will make a slip knot, attach that to my hook, and then make a chain of 2. So 1 and 2. So once you've got your chain of 2, we're going to go back into the very first chain, the second chain from your hook. So insert your hook through that loop and the second loop as well. So you're going to go through both of those loops. And then you're going to pick up your yarn, pull that through, 2 loops on the hook. Then you're going to pick up again and we're going to make the chain. So we're going to just pull through that 1 loop first. We've still got 2 loops on the hook again. And then pick back up your yarn and pull through for the last 2. So that is your chain and a single crochet already made. So for the next stitch is going to be a double crochet, because that's how it works for a lemon peel stitch. But because we are wanting to do this in a chainless foundation where we make the chain and the stitch at the same time, so we're going to yarn over the hook, and just here is where I'm going to work into here, this chain from the below, and going through both of those loops as well. So then you're going to pull your yarn through those loops, 3 loops on the hook, pick up your yarn again, and you're going to pull through just the 1 loop on your hook, 3 loops on the hook, pick up your yarn again, so make sure you yarn over your hook, pull through 2 loops left on the hook, pick up your yarn again, so yarn over the hook again and pull through the last 2 loops. So now I've got a single and a double. So when you want to make a single again, we're going to just insert our hook. There's no yarning over for a single, so insert your hook through here, through this loop and the back loop, so you're catching onto that chain. Pull your yarn through, 2 loops on the hook, pick up your yarn, pull through 1 for your chain, and then pick up your yarn again, yarn over the hook and pull through those 2 loops. Yarn over and going back in again to make a double crochet. Pull through, so pull through 1, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. So I'll do that again for you. So insert your hook through those 2 loops just here, pull your yarn through, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over and pull through the last 2. Yarn over your hook, going back through again and make a double crochet. Pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So with the lemon peel stitch you always begin with a single and you end with a double crochet. So when you are following a pattern it would say how many stitches there is, usually from row 1. So if you're following a pattern or whatever and it's the foundation chain but you want to do it in a chainless foundation, just make sure you go off the stitch amounts rather than the chain amounts, because with the lemon peel stitch you always skip the first stitch and then you work into the next stitch. So for example, a lot of my patterns of lately, I've got a lot of houndstooth patterns out there, and some of them don't have the chainless foundation. So now you know how to work that. It would be a lot easier for you or nicer for you if you wanted your project to be done using the chainless foundation. As I said, it starts with a single and ends in a double, and you would just make sure that the chain amounts for the stitch amounts is what you would need to follow to be able to do that, to achieve that, because you wouldn't want to finish on a single, because when we do a chain we skip one and then we work the stitch. so you wouldn't necessarily do that for a chainless foundation. So thank you so much for watching today. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was useful for you. If you do like this tutorial, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye.